Hello again. In this video, we are going to be going over the topic and thesis statement assignment. All right, so when you get to the topic selection and thesis statement assignment folder, you'll click on it, and then you'll find this information here. So you'll see an example and also a template. So basically the main things you want to keep in mind as you are starting to do this assignment is that you are thinking of a topic that you're going to cover in your informative speech. So this is going to be a 4 to 6 minute presentation, and you're going to have to be able to find sources on whatever topic you are deciding to cover. So you want to find something that is easily, or you want to choose something that is easily researchable. And so what I mean is something like a disease would be probably pretty easy since you'll be able to find a lot of credible sources. That's what you want to think about. You want to do something that you are interested in, that you might be passionate about. I'm not saying you have to do a disease. I'm just trying to say you have to do something that you will want to research and that you think you'll be able to find lots of credible sources for. And the reason I say have to is because that way you'll enjoy it and you'll do better on the assignment. So keep that in mind. And one other thing to know too, well, never mind. I'll talk about that in my other video on research. So let's move on. Here, we're going to talk about this example and the template. So when you click on those documents, this is what you'll see. This is exactly what I want from you. I do not want you to write a paper. I do not want you to write a whole long paragraph and everything. All I want you to do is simply say your name, write your topic, and then give 3 possible points. And what I mean by possible is that these might change depending on as you're writing your speech or as you're researching, you might realize, actually, no, I want to break it up this way. Maybe that's how you want to do it, right? So it just kind of depends on, this is just kind of more so for you to brainstorm, for you to be able to start researching, to kind of have direction. So again, I want to also note that each of these, you notice, is just a statement. It's just overview of disease, symptoms, treatments. You don't have to actually write out everything that you want to put in that section. You're just giving me a basic idea. So you put that, and then you're going to put your possible thesis. So again, I say possible because you may edit it, you may change it, but for the most part, you are just writing a 1-sentence statement. So hear me again when I say that, a 1-sentence statement clearly listing the 3 points that you want to cover in the order that you're planning to cover them. So again, if you're saying that overview of the disease is main point 1, that needs to be the first thing in your thesis statement. So just reading this one real quick. Today, I will inform you on the topic of diabetes by discussing a brief overview of the disease, as well as its symptoms and treatments. Do you see how clear and concise that is? That's what I want. At the most, this might be 2 sentences, just kind of depending on maybe grammar or if that's just how your wording is, but 2 sentences max. You should not be giving me a paragraph. And I'm saying that over and over because I usually end up getting way more for this assignment than you actually have to do. So again, this is all I'm asking for. You do not have to do more than that. The template, again, is already provided for you, and it is in the correct format. Always turn everything in Times New Roman 12-point font. Keep the headings in bold. What you write in, please do not bold that. So that is it. That is the whole assignment. And from here, you'll be able to start researching. So after you do that, I don't think that you need these directions, but just in case, this is where you would submit that document. So if you have any questions, let me know. You're going to do great.